Welcome to my brand new training video. In this video, I'm going to teach you step by step how people are making $100, $200, $300, and even $400 a day in commissions every single day on completely autopilot by making a one-time effort, and then it keeps on paying off for months and years to come. It's a program that you're already using, but you just don't know how to use it to start making money. Monetize that program. And I'm going to teach you step by step how to do this and how to make thousands and thousands of dollars in commissions every single month by promoting other people's products. You don't need experience, you don't need a website, you don't need a landing page, you don't even need to have any kind of prior technical skills, you don't need anything whatsoever, and you can start doing this today. So let's dive into this video. We're going to talk about Clickbank, and this works with any network. Clickbank is a digital affiliate marketplace that has thousands of digital products. It's free to join. If you still haven't joined Clickbank, go ahead, register your free account and go to the settings and enter your postal address, because the first 2 payments Clickbank is going to send you is to your address, and then after that you could start receiving electronic payments. We're going to talk about a product from the affiliate marketplace. Now, once you have joined Clickbank, on the left hand side you're going to see a section called affiliate marketplace. Just click on it and you're going to come to something like this. Okay, you're going to see all these categories here. If you click on all, you will be able to see all these categories with these subcategories. Okay, so in this case and in this video, we're going to select health and fitness. All right, and we're going to scroll down and we could see so many products down here. We are more interested in a product called the smoothie diet. Okay, you can see it's going to pay us $20.67 in commissions, and I'm about to show you that you can make $100, $200, $300 a day in commission just promoting this one product with a program that you're probably already using, but you just don't know how to monetize it. Okay, so I'm going to click on this product and it's going to give me more details about this product. So I have on the right hand side, the first thing you want to do, which is very, very important before choosing a product, is click on the sales page to make sure that this product is still available. So I could see this product is available and it's looking very, very good. Check this out. Okay, so you can see here all this is the sales page. Okay, and we're going to promote this product and I'm going to show you how to make commissions. Okay, if you've been struggling to make commissions with Clickbank and you haven't made a penny yet, I'm going to show you how to do this and how to start crushing it with Clickbank. Okay, you can see you could get your affiliate link by clicking here, view affiliate page, which is a resource tool, which means it's a win-win situation. You make money, they make money. Okay, if I scroll down, it gives me more information about the product. There's no future rebills for this. Okay, the gravity score is 133.14. obviously there are hundreds of affiliates promoting this product. Okay, now the conversion rate looks very, very low. That is probably because it's getting thousands and thousands and thousands of clicks, and most of those clicks are probably untargeted clicks. Okay, so how do you promote this? Okay, it's simple and easy. Let's go to Instagram. Okay, check this out. This guy has a smoothie diet guy with 349,000 followers. And check this out, 66, 219, 91. Look what she's posting here. Okay, check this out, 216, 146, 402. You can have an account just like this and promote the smoothie diet program. How do you do it? Basically, you create a profile and in there you just write something similar to the words that you're seeing here. Healthy foodie, lose weight with smoothie, take the 21-day challenge today, tap here and let's see where this takes us to. Okay, alright, so we could see here it's taking us to a Linktree page. Alright, and then let's go here and let's click on this. Let's see where this takes us to. And there you go. This person is promoting Clickbank product. Can you see? This person is promoting the same product that I'm sharing with you and I'm teaching you. Now this person's probably making hundreds of dollars in commissions every single day from this Instagram account. Okay, so if I come back here, let's see what this is all about. All right, so if I click on this, okay, so you could see here this person is promoting 3-4 products at the same time. The first product that she's promoting is the Clickbank product, the same product that I just showed you, which is called the smoothie diet. Okay, now imagine having a Clickbank product down here, having an Instagram account all on diet, and then making commissions. All right, now this person could 10x their earnings if they were building a list. So if they had a lead magnet page here and they were building a list, they could have 10x their results by promoting different Clickbank products. But right now, because she's doing direct linking, I guess she's only making money from this one Clickbank product, and she is not making money from other products because she's not building a list. Okay, so if you had a landing page here, and in that landing page you gave something like how to lose weight with smoothie diet, and people join, if they don't buy the product, you could send out emails and then you could tell them to buy other products as well. All right, so this is very, very, very powerful. I'm sharing with you. Okay, so you could have an Instagram account, and I guess you probably do have it. You could create another one and just make sure you're targeting that same niche. Okay, it doesn't have to be the product, it doesn't have to be the subcategory, it has to be the niche. So weight loss, dieting, so you could have different products in there. So you could see here this person has got different, so get blenders. So let's just check what this is all about. All right, so this is all about other things here. Okay, so I don't want to watch this. So if I go to search, let me show you some more. Okay, let's go to diet doctors. Let's see what this person has to offer. You can see this person's got 200 followers. Okay, this is a bit different. Let's just go somewhere on. Okay, let's go here. Smoothie diet plan, 31,000 followers. Okay, let me just click on this link tree and let me see what this person is promoting. All right, Linktree basically is a shortened URL plan that you can do, and at the same time it allows you to promote 3, 4, 5 products simultaneously. Now from the get-go, I could see that this person is promoting the same Clickbank product. How do I know this? Check this out. Okay, check this out, the banner down here. All right, so if I click on, where is it? If I click on this, there you go. This person is promoting the Clickbank product and probably making hundreds of dollars in commissions, my friend. Okay, so how do you promote this? The question is, how can I do this? It's very simple. Step 1, go and create a free Clickbank account. Step 2, go and create a free Instagram account. Step 3, go and create an Instagram account related to diet and weight loss. And if you're not interested in promoting weight loss offers, you can promote another niche. So it could be self-help, it could be home and gardens, it could be green products, it could be anything out there. Okay, and step 4, create a beautiful profile, which is very, very important, and have something like this. Now do not, let me say this again, do not put a direct Clickbank link here. Okay, if you do, your Instagram account is gonna get suspended. Simple as that. Make sure you shorten the URL using a service called tinyurl.com, okay, or service called bit.ly, and the best one is, okay, this is just taking a bit of time, bit.ly, and the best one is Linktree. Okay, so if you just go to Linktree, let me see if I've spelled it right. Okay, so if I come here, all right, so this is the best service because this allows you to promote 3, 4, 5 different products at the same time. Okay, so you need to start doing this. Now you might be asking this, hey, this is looking so excited, this is looking so powerful. How can I do this, and how do I create these posts, these images? Check this out, check this out, check this out. Okay, how do I do this? Okay, very easy, very simple. Okay, another free service. So far, if you're getting value from my video, it would be appreciated if you could just give me a thumbs up. Okay, and if you have questions, just leave a comment, and it would be appreciated if you could subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button. Okay, so how can you do this? Okay, there's a free service called canva.com. Okay, so if you go to Canva, click on search, all right, and watch what happens. Okay, I'm just gonna come here, smoothie diet. Okay, let's smoothie diet Instagram. Let's see what we can find. Boom, check this out. Oh my word, imagine posting something like this down the line. Alright, check this out. This is looking so good, and it's free. If I want to just edit this template, I just come here, customize it, post it onto my Instagram account, and there you go. I have a beautiful picture with this mango tango fusion, and I am promoting the Clickbank product, the smoothie diet 21-day rapid weight loss program. And this is how you're gonna make commission. Now bear in mind that you don't have to stick to the smoothie diet program. You could promote any weight loss programs. You could also promote other category products as well. Okay, you could go into self-help, you could go to make money online, you could go into home and gardens, you could go into green product, business investment, etc. And you can do this on a daily basis. And the power of Instagram is that once you have one Instagram, you could have different parts of Instagram as well. So let me show you. Look at this keto diet plan. So if we click on keto diet, check this out. Look at this. All right, and it's just coming up with different things here. Okay, so this person's very, very active. All right, and I just proved it to you that these people are promoting the smoothie diet program. Okay, so you could come here, you could see this. Check this out. All right, look at this. People, they're all promoting the smoothie diet program, and because they are just targeting one product, I guess that is the reason why they have less engagement. If they were targeting a broader diet plan, they would have been crushing it. Okay, so let me just show you some more proof, okay, that this works, my friend. You need to start doing this. No more excuse. Let's just come here. Let's see what this 63,000 followers. Okay, profile is, are you ready for the healthy lifestyle? Get 21-day smoothie weight loss. Oh my word, I could tell this person's promoting the Clickbank product. Let's just click on this and let's just check it out. Oh my word, there you go. I told you this person's promoting the Clickbank product, because I could tell by saying the 20-day smoothie weight loss. That means it's the Clickbank product. All these people are promoting the same Clickbank product, and they're crushing it on Clickbank. Okay, so you need to come here, you need to start doing this. A lot of people have been asking, is there any way I could do this for free? I could promote Clickbank products for free. Is there a way where I can continue to make money with Clickbank without any investment? And here's the opportunity, and here's the chance for you to start doing this for free without having to spend a single penny. But what is the key to success to do this? Is persistent, never giving up. That's the main key. All right, So remember that. So that's all for now. Go ahead, start taking massive action, start doing this. And I am sure that if you keep doing this and you do it on a daily basis, you're going to start seeing those commissions pouring into your Clickbank account. And you're going to thank me for this tutorial video.